we have multiplication by power of 10. So how we do this? When we have multiplication, we need to move decimal point to the right. And how many places, decimal places? We have to count the zeros. So let me copy our example one more time. We have 10,000 times, always when we don't have sign is multiplication, 8, 7, decimal point 4, 7, 8, 9. Like I said, multiplication. So we move decimal point to the right side. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimal point will be now at the end. So this is equal 8, 7, 4, 7, 8, 9 decimal point at the end. This was solution to the first example, and the second, again, we don't have any sign, so this is multiplication. Let me copy our example. We have 18 decimal point 77. I will make extra space because we have 3 zeros, so we have to move 3 places, times 1000. Again, one more time, multiplication. So we move decimal point to the right side. What else? How many places? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we move 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. And empty space we fill always by 0. At the end will be decimal point now. So the solution will be 18,770 decimal point.